Voodoo money. Voodoo money. Listen to me very carefully. Voodoo money comes with an animal. Bagwethu, this is Dr. Oti, Ketla Maketla, Nyangenkulu, Yase, Nixum Africa. I am based in 180 E&M Road, Mondio, Johannesburg. Angisebenzele mafletin. Angisebenzele mina hotel. Angisebenzele mina emjondolo. Ngisebenzela ejaridini elinamathongo namadlozi. Endaweni ekuthi sesingeni liphezulu ukhomba into zakho ziyolunga. This thing of you guys going to izinyanga, inyanga yakhona awuyazi nokuthi vela kuphi. Uthola inyanga etaxi noma emotweni lapha etaxi rank entweni ekuthiwa kuphi lapha ebus stop eDurban. Imuntu semotweni ukulaphela emotweni aza akulapha azaqede ngalapho omunye aza kuhlabe nokuhlabe ekukwini akulaphela emotweni. Then you think ukuthi yonke into yakho izolunga? Huh? You think ukuthi yonke into yakho izolunga? Uthola umuntu akulaphela emotweni aza kuhlabe nokuhlaba. Angisilo type le mina. Angilapheli umuntu emafletini mina. Angilapheli abantu emafletini. I don't have a shrine emafletini. Angikwenzi lokho. Ngilaphela abantu endlini yamadlozi. Ngivula into zabantu endlini yamadlozi, emsamo, emakhosini, endumbeni. Ila mina ngisebenzela khona. Be careful ngalezi nyanga zenu ezilaphela emafletini kusasa samazi nokuthi uphelele kuphi. Be careful. It's just an advice. Uyayithatha noma uyithathe okwakho lokho kusuka kuwena ukuthi uyayithatha noma uyithathe. Fine, ngilana. Voodoo money. It is not any particular money that comes by any miracle or by any magic. Voodoo money comes with an animal. It depends which animal do we use for you to get voodoo money. Listen to me very carefully. Voodoo money comes with an animal. It might be a dog. It might be a pig. It might be a goat. It might be a sheep. It might be a cow. It might be anything by any means. It might be anything by any means. Voodoo man comes with an animal. Let me briefly explain this to you. Firstly, by using voodoo, you are using the unseen spirits. You are using the spirits which are controlling the universe. Using voodoo, you are now wanting to control the universe. You want to control the economy. You want to control umnotho wempilo yakho nefamily yakho. So, ihamba kanje lento. When we use a dog for voodoo money, we use a pregnant female dog. Siyenza kanje. Lenja le sidlisa imithi ye voodoo. Imithi yakhona. This magical herbs. Sidlise. Uma siqeda ukuyidlisa, after a period of a day or two, siyayibulala. Uma siqeda ukuyibulala, we kill the pregnant dog. Awunkutorgering. Sibulala inja pregnant. Uma xa senzeni simba umgodi, sifake lenja, sivale. Then we initiate you on top of this dead dog. Now, this dog now starts to work or to rise spiritually. Then now it starts working for you. The more lenja le ilogi bola ipuma ibungu, it is the more you get rich. It is the more upumelela. It is the more upagama. It is the more uyaphezulu. It is the more into zakho zenzeka. Why do we use a pregnant dog? We use a pregnant dog because a pregnant dog zonke izinja zifuna whoever is sex nenja pregnant, which means even coming to your own business, you'll be having many people who wants to support your own business, which means when you take this voodoo spirit using this dead dog, if you're a tenderpreneur, people will be giving you tenders. If a person who wants money to come all the way without stopping, it means imali zongena ingaqedi. I'm talking to a person who wants to understand spiritual things. When we talk about voodoo money comes with an animal, we simply refer to whatever things I'm trying to explain to you now. Voodoo money comes with an animal. Voodoo money doesn't just come emoyeni, but it comes with a spiritual animal. It comes with a spiritual something. Voodoo money comes with a spiritual something. Like taking, for example, for a soccer player coming to voodoo, what do we use? For a soccer player to win all the matches, or for a soccer team to win all the matches, we use a gorilla. Gorilla has serious tactics. Gorilla has serious strategies on how to play football. Even though it cannot know the laws, what, offside and all that, but the strength of a gorilla inamandla ngendlela isimanga ekutheni ngadlala ibhola izikumangasi. For business people, we also use vulture. Because vulture can smell, can hear, can feel into yokudla kwayo thousands miles away, easily ibuye nayo. Even coming to your business, people will be coming and flourishing like that. Company will be coming, locating you from wherever you are. So, Bagwethu, if you want me to help you using voodoo, for you to be rich, for you to make money, gather something like 50,000, 100,000, 200,000, 300,000. But I want you to know, we use an animal. We don't use human. Akebola ebathuna. Angibela abantu angazi ngizami izandla, angazi mina ngabula umuntu. Angazi ngabula umuntu. We use animals to perform voodoo magic, to perform voodoo money. 50,000, 100,000, 200,000, 300,000 upwards. I'll do something big for you. Give voodoo. Siyabonga. Thank you.